Good Sunday afternoon and evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather on April the 12th, 2026. Taking a look at your evening weather blog. As of 8:30 p.m., we continue to see scattered showers and some rainfall occurring across portions of the region. Have some more development ongoing back off in the Murfreesboro to Nashville, Prescott area up towards Derricks. In that general area, that will continue to occur and continue to move off towards the northeast. So I know a lot of people didn't see much rainfall today, but some did see some decent or some good amount of rainfall. But more rain chances will be in store for the near term or in the near 6-day forecast. So looking at our 6-day forecast, as we go throughout this time frame, highs are going to range from the upper 70s into the lower 80s. And then on Friday, we will warm up into the mid to upper 80, or really the lower to mid to upper 80s there across southwest Arkansas. Overnight lows through this week will be in the 60s until we get towards the end of the week, where we do have a drop in those overnight lows into the 40s on Saturday. As you can see, some scattered rain chances tomorrow. On Monday, mostly cloudy skies. A few peaks of sun here and there will be likely as we go through the day tomorrow. But the big story on your day on Monday will be some scattered thunderstorms and showers, or mainly scattered showers and some thunderstorms will be possible. 50% chance, so going to be more of that hit or miss. Maybe not everybody sees a storm or shower, but some areas could get some rain, some areas may not. Partly cloudy skies on Tuesday. Once again, can't rule out maybe a small isolated shower chance. 10% chance though before our next big chance of rain arrives Wednesday. Wednesday's the time frame that we're going to be watching across southwest Arkansas closely. We could, right at this time, there is a small chance of severe weather being a possibility on that Wednesday time frame, mainly over north and western portions of the coverage area, northwestern Arkansas in general. But some evening storms will be possible. 60% chance of some rain with partly cloudy skies through the day. Can't rule out a thunderstorm or shower earlier in that afternoon and through the day there as well. Small 30% chance of rain on Thursday with some scattered thunderstorms being a possibility. Partly cloudy skies will be likely through the day, so a few peaks of sun will continue to be likely. Mostly sunny on Friday. Small 10% chance, but for the most part, most of us remain on the dry side of things. Another chance of rain looks to move in on Saturday with some scattered thunderstorms and partly cloudy skies as we go into the Saturday time frame. Now, real quickly, let's take a look at some of the futurecasts, what it's possibly showing, and what we could possibly see through the future. First, looking at the latest European model. This is just going to show us, or well, actually, let's start off with the latest 0Z model of the HRRR. Remember, data is not perfect, just one of the many pieces to building a forecast. And you can see here, some more rain showers will be possible through the afternoon, maybe, or through this evening and tonight. You can see tomorrow afternoon, maybe some pop-up thunderstorms and showers being a possibility. Not really widespread, but kind of those hit or miss style of storms and showers. This only goes that far into the future, into Tuesday morning. If we take a look at the European model, this continues to show maybe those scattered showers and storms tomorrow, mainly dry conditions on Tuesday, but can't rule out an isolated shower there as well. As we go into Wednesday, you can begin to see the process. Some thunderstorms may be possible, but the big story is a line of storms may move in that evening and that early night time frame, and could bring maybe a small chance of severe weather, but more rainfall, as you can see here on Wednesday at 10 p.m. You can see there's that, and then some more rainfall will be possible there, maybe some light scattered showers there on Thursday. Before we get a drier day, possibly, maybe an isolated shower still, though, on Friday, and then we see our next rain chance start to enter the forecast there into the Saturday time frame, as you can see there. Real quickly, if we take a look currently at observed rainfall and analysts, not a whole lot has been observed. There's a few areas that maybe have recorded 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of rain so far. There's other areas here that have seen rainfall, just not reported at this current time. Big story as we go into the future. Taking a look at our severe weather outlooks over the next couple of days. Our day one outlook just continues to show for southwest Arkansas general thunderstorms. Day two, that is we go into Tuesday, general thunderstorms continue to be a possibility. Day three, they actually have just recently updated this. This is Tuesday to Wednesday time frame. You can see some general thunderstorms being a possibility across northern portions of our region. And then the big day on Wednesday, you can see there is currently a 15% slight risk. That yellow colored region there for the Mena, Polk County areas up there and just around the DeQueen, north of DeQueen, and northwest corner of the state. This could still be adjusted. Could still see some changes with that as we go forward into the future. So just a heads up there with that. Our excessive rainfall outlooks for the next couple of days. You can see maybe that chance on the Wednesday time frame of another chance of some heavier rainfall, maybe some flash flooding, and some marginal, at least 5% chance of maybe some heavier rainfall there as we go through the upcoming time frame. When we jump in locally here, you can see over the next 24 hours, the Weather Prediction Center is wanting to pick up maybe on an area of half an inch to maybe near just under 1 inch of rainfall, maybe around the I-30 corridor. We'll keep an eye on that, though. But as we go into the future, you can start to see in the next 7 days another 1 to maybe 2 inches of rainfall will be a possibility through the end of this upcoming week. Not counting what's fallen today. Remember, this thing's not perfect. Rainfall accumulations, they're going to change. They're going to be adjusted. But the general idea is looking to be 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Maybe some higher amounts of 3 to 4 being a possibility. If that occurs, I think that will occur in the northwestern corner of the state. But I really think for the most part, though, our heaviest totals will probably be up here in the northwest corner of the region. 1 to 2 inches right now looks like a good possibility. Things could still change. This pattern the last couple of days has really, adjusted here and there. That severe weather chances have kind of moved, further west, and kind of just been adjusting as they usually do as we get closer. Things are get adjusted, stuff of that nature changes, and all of that fun stuff when it comes to talking about weather-related things with severe weather and rainfall totals and all of that fun stuff. But as always, that's going to bring us to the end of today's evening weather blog. Another mention here. We are in need of some sponsors for our Southwest Arkansas Skycam network. We have two cameras that have been sponsored to go up in the DeQueen and Locksburg areas, and what we are needing, the cost of the camera is already covered up front. Thankful to those sponsors who have helped with that, and we are needing a sponsor to cover the $250 a month monthly fee that covers maintenance, priority support, and all that fun stuff through the HazCam website. This is free for the public to view. Your logo would not only be involved on Southwest Arkansas Weather, but Arkansas Weather Watchers, Arkansas Weather Network, and also on HazCam's global website where that camera is at. You can get your website link, Facebook page, whatever you have attached or hot linked to that logo on the camera, and you can click that straight from the camera and go straight to whatever link you want us to put connected to for that. So another opportunity there. Or you can get your business in front of at least on average 1 million views a month on Facebook, and even more, or even more just in general, just on Southwest Arkansas Weather and across all the weather pages that has the opportunity to use this for severe weather coverage. So feel free to contact us by emailing us at that email address right there for any more information, and we can help you with that. Also, if there's any businesses out there that are willing to sponsor a camera or that monthly cost anywhere, feel free to let us know. Those are just the 2 cameras that we have currently right now that we are just kind of waiting on for that possibility for that sponsorship opportunity there as well. So that is 2 locations in DeQueen and Locksburg, both in Sevier County. And if you're interested, feel free to contact us. And as always, we do want to end this off by saying a big thanks to all of our sponsors: J&S Auto Supply, Bumper to Bumper, Landmark Insurance Agency, Palmer's Roofing, Patterson's Credit Union, and The Grease Gorilla. J&S Auto Supply, Bumper to Bumper, and The Grease Gorilla, both located in Murfreesboro. You can check them out over on Facebook as well. Landmark Insurance Agency, located in Nashville, Arkansas, so make sure to contact them and give them a call if you're in need of anything insurance-wise. And Palmer's Roofing, give him a call at that number right there on the screen for any roofing needs that he can supply you with across Southwest Arkansas. Patterson's Credit Union, located in Arkadelphia. For any of your banking needs, feel free to contact them over there in the Arkadelphia area. We're very thankful for all the support, and we couldn't do this without y'all as well. Thank you guys very much for trusting us with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. Have a good rest of your Sunday night.